Hey everybody, little happy mail today from the land down under. Pamper your pooch. Check it out. There's a little something for Wendy in there too. Thanks so much everybody. I hope you enjoy it, because you know, pets are family too.
Well, hello everybody. It is Saturday, June 22nd, I believe. And this arrived several days ago from Australia. And it's my first chance to actually open it up. So let's take a look and see what it is. There was a hint in a previous video. And it arrived very quickly, I must say. All right. So this is the dog snuggle sack bed that I ordered from Michelle's mom's shop on Etsy. Right here. So check her out. But let's open it up and see what it is, because I think Michelle might have put a couple extra things in here. So here we go. Happy's doggy beds. Very cute. Okay. And of course, being so close to Disney World. Here we go too. Okay, let's see here. Happy's doggy beds. And then, what is this? Oh, must be, I don't know, is that how you guys do your phone numbers? But look at how cute those pictures are. It's adorable. Very cute. We have a postcard. Let's take a look here. Oh my gosh. Is that not beautiful? Okay. Save your guest room for me, Michelle. I'm coming to visit. Very cool. Barron Falls Sky Rail, Kundo Street, Kuranda train, and Kuranda train station. Very cool. Love it. Very pretty. Oh, oh my gosh. Michelle. Oh, it is beautiful. I absolutely love the colors. Let's move that out of the way so it'll focus. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Like perfect peacock colors. Oh my gosh, Michelle, thank you so much. I absolutely love it. Oh, that's wonderful. And that has the different bumps than the one I have. Oh, that's wonderful. Look at how well that fits right in your hand. Oh my God, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are such a beautiful person. Oh my gosh, a clear big tray. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you. What is this? Oh, thank you so much. Look at that cute little card. Thank you so much. Thank you for shopping at Happy's Doggy Beds. Kindest regards, Barbara. Oh, thank you, Barbara. And then my invoice. Okay. Oh. Okay. So this is, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, Pegalamicorn. Isn't that ever cute? Oh, it's a Beanie Baby. That is adorable. Okay, love it. Look at this. That is so cute too. Oh, little kangaroo. Very cute. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Okay. Confusion. Confucius. What is this? Oh, this is for putting them in your container. Look at that. Okay, I didn't know this gadget existed. All right. Oh, my containers are all put away. Oh, bet you anything. Tic Tac box, right? That is awesome. I love it. So cool. Oh, man, I didn't even know those existed. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Now, this is what I had actually ordered for Jazmine. Oh my gosh, is this soft. Oh, and she even has little labels. Look at that. Oh, very professional. Okay. So this is a little snuggle sack for dogs that like to cover up, you know, to sleep or thunderstorms. Is that not the cutest thing in the world? Look at that. It is so soft, guys. I can't even tell you. So soft. Oh my gosh. And look at that. Looks like it's like completely reversible because the stitching is done with inside seams. That is beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Wonderful work, Barbara. I love it. I bet you Jazmine's going to love it too. Okay. And this, I thought, was right up my alley for the colors and patterns, you know, because we've got the red thing going on in our house. This is a doggy bed cover. You just put your own pillow in there. I'll have to look at the dimensions to see whether you use, you know, like a Euro pillow, Euro size. It looks like it's a Euro. But it's like the canvas for outdoor furniture. So easy to clean off, washable, and then there's no zippers or buttons or anything. It just has like a fold over closure on it. So, like, wonderful. Take it all apart, wash it, get the doggy smell off. But yeah, I'll have to grab a pillow and stuff it and put this out for Jazzy, because this would be very, very appropriate for our living room. You know, not like some of the cheapy doggy beds that we've gotten in the past. But yeah, I think this is like outdoor canvas material. So you could even put this like out on the porch and just wash it every so often, because it's Florida. Things get musty with the humidity. I love it. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this out. I didn't know that they made clear trays. Obviously, this is somebody with a 3D printer. And then the spout for your putting your beads back in the Tic Tac box. I bet you that fits right in there. Okay. Love it. Thank you so much, Michelle and Barbara. Absolutely wonderful. I love all the gifts. I'm sure Jazmine's going to love this, and we will check back at some point in the future to catch her little candid camera of Jazmine enjoying her new sleeping arrangements. Just, you know, little diva. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and check out Happy's Doggy Beds on Etsy, and I'll have the link in the video below. All right, guys. Take care.
I just love it. It's luxurious. Yeah. Little doggy beds and those painting supplies are wonderful. Yeah, she's going to really love those. Thank you so much, Michelle and Barbara. Beautiful, beautiful stitching on that bed. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Well worth it. Yep. Much success to you, Barbara, with your store. I think you're going to do great. Just need to have people realize what quality work you're putting out. We love it here. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, bye-bye now. Good day, mate.